Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix heating problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. First you have to open your settings. Then friends, if you are playing games while charging your smartphone, this will definitely heat your smartphone, in affect your battery life also. So firstly avoid these things. Then friends, if you are automatically if you have enabled the automatically update option in your Play Store, then you have to simply remove it, so it will not auto update your smartphone applications. Then friends, you have to just clear some of your storage, and if you have some kind of applications or games that is taking too much storage or taking high processor and just giving heat, so you have to completely install that application, so it will fix your Motorola smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.